remember anything about evocative? You are a rascal. Do you know anything? Maybe this is an evocative object, right? This is the typewriter on which I typed all of my college papers, all of my graduate school papers, all of my first lectures at Gettysburg College in 1978, and have kept ever since. And I'm going to ask anyone who would like to do so from this class. I have the paper. I want you to come up, type your name and something, if you wish, that you remember about historical methods. And if you just want to type your name, that's fine too. So do I have a volunteer? All right, come on up. Jackson's first.
Oh, yeah.
You guys know how to do this?